This is really cool. Burger King and Instagram, what do these two have in common? One really, really cool promotion. So what Burger King did is it partnered with Instagram and brought this to Spain specifically. It did a promotion where people could use Instagram stories and Instagram polls to build their perfect Whopper and then actually go get it at a real Burger King location. In this case, they gave it away for free, which is really cool. And guess what? They gave away over 30,000 hamburgers. That's a lot of meat. But how did they do that? So what they did is they took this Instagram story idea and they interjected it with a poll and asked people fun questions. You want lettuce, tomato, this, that. And they were able to build a custom hamburger, and then Instagram sent that information to the store location. The user went and picked up their custom hamburger that was made for them, ready for them when they walked in the door. What an awesome way to order a hamburger. I don't know about you, but I'd be willing to pay for that. I'd be willing to check out on Instagram. And Instagram's actually rolled out in-app payments. So this is obviously was a test for them to see how users would interact with the poll concept, with purchasing and making a purchase selection, and then integrating with a retailer's POS system to actually create your order, your custom order, before you walked in to go get it. How cool is that? I love the idea of having stuff ready for me that's made just for me and not having to stand in line, wait for my order to be made. That's just a huge time waster. I'd rather do all that stuff in my car than walk in and get my order, and it's all custom and built for me, and it was a fun experience. So I really see Instagram moving further and further into this customized shopping experience, using this very same concept, but then adding a pay feature to it. This obviously was a test and a very fun one at that. You can watch the video of the actual case study and how they did it. It's in the description below. I think it's worth watching, and I think it was a lot of fun, but it really is a foretelling of what's to come with social media and purchasing behavior.